Good morning, children. Today we will begin the workbook part as we completed the first lesson, our sense organs explanation part in 4 videos. I hope you understood. Now, today we will begin the workbook part. Open page number 4. Did you open the 4th page? See here. There is a matching. 1, 2, 3 columns of pictures are given. Match the sense to its related picture. Here, in each column, there are 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also, and the third column also. The first column, I'll read the names, observe carefully. Nose, eyes, skin, ears, tongue. The second column has sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch. And the third column has a picture of Veena, Laddu, a girl riding a scooty, and 2 girls playing with a ball, and a boy enjoying the fragrance of flower. Now, the first column has sense organs, the second column has senses, and the third column has related pictures. Now, first we will match these 1 and 2 columns. Don't do in a hurry. First listen, afterwards I will say how to connect, how to match. See the first one, nose. Is it the sense organ of sight, hearing, smell, taste or touch? Tell me. Yes, all of you are saying I know. It is the sense organ for smell. Don't do in a hurry. I said I will explain how to draw lines. Do matching. You have to match. See the box. Keep middle point. And this is the answer to that. Smell. So keep the middle point. Now draw from nose to smell neatly by using scale. Like this you should do very neatly. First you keep dots to all the boxes as I am showing in the book. This side, all sides. Wherever you have to join the 3 columns. Already we did for nose. Next, coming to eyes. Eyes. Eyes is the sense organ of sight, hearing, taste and touch. You know that eyes is the sense organ of sight. Next, skin. Skin is the sense organ of hearing, taste, touch. Yes, touch. Next, ears. Ears are sense organ for hearing. And tongue is to taste. Now we completed these 2 columns. Coming to the next column. Veena. Veena, how do we enjoy Veena? The music of Veena. Sight, hearing, smell, taste or touch. Yes, by hearing. Next, Laddu. Do you want to sight laddu, taste laddu, touch laddu or smell laddu, taste? Next, scooty. Whenever we are riding a vehicle, we should be careful and we should use our sight. Our sight must be correct. Next, 2 girls are playing by touching the wall, by touching the ball. So touch, here touch. See the last boy, he is enjoying the fragrance of flower by smelling. I'll stop the video and you do in 2 minutes. I'll give 2 minutes time, 2 minutes after you do and check from the book. Did you complete? Check your book with these answers. I hope you did correctly. Okay, we'll go to the next one. We will do the simple ones first. So page number 8, open. Did you open? Okay, see. Fill in the blank spaces in the given flow chart to show that the tongue is a sense organ. Okay, there is a girl. Here, dash birds are responsible for the sense of traditional tastes. And traditional taste we have to write here are present. Where is present? In the mouth. On the surface of the where these are located where we have to write. Now dash birds. Which birds are the sense organ of taste? Taste birds. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Write neatly in normal speed. Write neatly as shown. And slow. Next, taste buds are responsible for the sense of traditional taste. What are the traditional taste? Sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Are present in, where is present in? Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. In the mouth, on the surface of the dash. Taste buds where we can find? On the tongue. So write tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Now the next exercise, state whether the following statements are true or false. I hope you can say easily. First one, we cannot hear some sounds. We cannot hear some sounds. Say true or false? Yes, we cannot hear some sounds. So it is true. Write T-R-U-E, true. If you don't know, you can copy from here. Don't write T-U-R-E, tur. T-R-U-E, true. Next, carrots improve the sense of hearing. Carrots improve the sense of hearing. Is it right? Wrong. Carrots improve the sense of sight, not hearing. So it is false statement. Write the spelling here. C and write spelling F-A-L-S-E. False. Next, tongue piercing is not a good practice. Tongue piercing is not a good habit. Yes, it is right. So we have to write true. This statement is right. So we have to write true. T-R-U-E. True. Ophthalmologist cures skin diseases. Is it right? No, it is wrong. Ophthalmologist is a doctor, cures eye diseases, not skin diseases. This is a false statement. So write false. F-A-L-S-E. False. All the living things have sense organs. Yes, animals, birds and human beings, all living things have sense organs. So it is correct statement. Write true. T-R-U-E. True. The next exercise, fill in the blanks. sense organs are dash of our body. I will read again. Sense organs are dash of our body. What's your answer? Yes, correct. You are saying correctly. Windows. W-I-N-D-O-W-S. Windows. Don't begin in the beginning of the line. Leave a small gap and then begin. Windows of our body. Next, second one. Dash is the ball-shaped sense organ. We know sense organs are 5. Which is the ball-shaped sense organ? Eyes. This is the beginning of the sentence, so you should start with capital letters. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Okay, singular form is given, so we will write singular. Eye is the ball-shaped sense organ. Next, third one. The largest organ that protects our body is dash. The largest organ that protects our body is dash. What? Yes, the skin. Right? Skin. This is the end of the line, so keep full stop. Next, fourth one. According to Ayurveda, the tastes are dash in number. According to Ayurveda, the tastes are 6 in number. You know that traditional tastes are 4 and updated tastes are 5. According to Ayurveda, the tastes are 6 in number. Dash is the thin membrane present in the ear. What is the thin membrane present in the ear and it transmits sounds? Eardrum. Starting word, so start with capital letter. Ear, D-R-U-M. Eardrum. Now we will do the matching. Here is one more matching in 9th page. We will do that. Septum. We will read first this column, then next this column. Septum, camera, sweat, balance, speak. Here, A, ear, tongue, nose, eyes, skin. These are the words. I'll read once more. You look. Septum, camera, sweat, balance, speak, ear, tongue, nose, eye, skin. Now the first one, see septum. Septum is a part in the ear. Is it in the tongue? Is it in the nose? Is it in eye or in skin? Which one? Yes, nose. Septum is the organ in nose. C. We will write this C here. Right here you are writing only one letter. Write carefully, don't write carelessly. No, write in normal speed. Next, camera, which acts like a camera. Ear, tongue, eye or skin. Yes, eye. E-Y-E, eye. This is D. So write D. The next one, sweat. With which organ we sweat? Which organ helps to send out sweat? Ear, tongue, skin. Yes, skin. Write skin. E. Next one, balance. Here are 2 left, ear and tongue. Which helps to balance? Ear or tongue? Yes, ear. Write A. Next, speak. Which organ helps to speak? And the left one is the tongue. Write B. Okay, we will do and write the question answers in the workbook in the next class. Bye children.